Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're in great health. Today we're going to be making some smoky Cajun salmon. And here are our ingredients that we will be using. Look at that beautiful piece of salmon right there. Are you guys ready? Are you ready to throw down in the kitchen? Okay, so we're gonna be doing some mix up. So I have 2 tablespoons of smoky Cajun seasoning, and then I added half tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon onion powder, half teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I didn't show that, but add black pepper if you want it, right? And then we're gonna give it a mix and 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 a mix. You need to mix it out really good, right? Because you don't need any chunk of any one seasoning, right? So give it a nice proper mix up, right? And then that is us. So here we have our beautiful piece of salmon, totaling to 450 or 500 grams of salmon, and we're going in with our seasoning or powdered seasoning, right? Everything that is mixed up and smelling so good. So we want to get the seasoning all over the salmon. I mean, every corner, everywhere. Now for some, because I know some people just like a little, 1 teaspoon of seasoning will season some people entire thing. If that works for you, then use the amount of the seasoning that you want and it's all good. Okay, so yeah, I went ahead and I flipped it over, and now I'm just adding the salmon to the I'm adding the seasoning to the rest of the salmon, right? And yeah, just add it how you want it, right? We don't have to fight, because I know there's going to be somebody that's going to be saying, that's a lot of seasoning for you. For me, it's not. Okay, so do you boo, and add do's me's. So go ahead and rub that in. And by the way, Vibes, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I will convert it down below and tell you what that is in Fahrenheit, right? So yeah, preheat it to 180. And as you guys see, I put it on the corner there. I mean, you put it everywhere. See that little piece, that little end right there, and I rub it on there just the same, right? To me, the salmon, you really can't miss. You have to really go in and season the salmon. So that's it, all done. So here I'm adding like half tablespoon of oil on my baking tray, and I'm just going to spread that everywhere, right, with my little brush. You can just take a piece of paper towel if you don't have the brush, and just use the paper towel, or use your fingers and just get it everywhere, right? So yeah, go ahead and brush that all over. You have to cover the surface that you will be resting the salmon on. So now I'm going to transfer my salmon from my beautiful glass container to the tray. And that is it. And now we're gonna be putting it, oh, no. We're gonna get the butter. I was gonna say we're gonna put it in the oven. So get you some butter. I think I did 1.5 tablespoons of butter, but you can, honestly, you can use less. I went in, you don't have to go in, right? You can really stay out with the butter. As in, add less if you want. So you can even add that amount and finish. But no. I turned this into arts and craft. Can I tell you? Right? So now I'm going in with the fingers, because I was trying to just use the spoon and that wasn't working. And I was like, no, girl, come again. Let's get it everywhere. So I went in with the finger. So yeah, you can just add a total of, just do half tablespoon or 1 tablespoon. It don't have to be like, yeah, you don't have to go in with it like that. I just really wanted to make sure that the top of the salmon is nice and moist. So that's why I put the butter on there, right? So you can even though add the butter, but definitely it helps. So instead of that 3 and 3, 6, 7, 8, instead of those 8 little dots, you can do 4. So we're going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. At first, I had it in there. Look at beautifulness. Look at it, Vibes Fam. It's all done, right? So what I did, I have to explain this. So at first, I put it in at the 180 degrees for 10 minutes. And then for the last 5 minutes, so in total it's 15 minutes. For the last 5 minutes, I turned the oven up to 200 degrees Celsius, right? And finish it off that way. So this is the end result. Look at it, beautiful. This is fresh from the oven. I just took the file paper from under it, right? That is it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have a beautiful, well seasoned, nice, smoky Cajun salmon, looking all the smoky smoke, right? All I did was just cut a lemon, and well, my husband cut it like that, and then I just stick it at the side, a little bit. I wanted to do a little bit of presentation for you guys. Not much, right? Because I don't ever want to just slapdash anything. Look at beautifulness. Do you guys see how that is looking so delicious and goody good right there? Tell me you guys don't want to try it. Tell me you don't want to try it. I know you do. I know you do. And you would enjoy every bit. Let me spin it around and show you. Turn around, girlfriend. Turn around. Show them your outfit. Show them every corner. Look at it. This is it from the back. So I spin around and check out my back. Look at the back. And do you notice, as I said, I put seasoning everywhere. So when I break off piece and I bite it, I was like, yes, of course. So Vibes Fam, I'm going to dig in and show you guys, right? I am going to dig in. So I got me a little fork and I'm digging in. Dig in, my friend, dig in. Dig in, my friend, dig in. Let's see what we find. Is it a treasure? Yes, it's a treasure. Look at that piece right there. Go in for another one. In. Give me that. May I have a piece? Thank you. Look at beautifulness. And Vibes Fam, listen, I took it one side and I started go in like really eating it in. And then I was like, no, let me come back and show them. I have to show them what's going on inside of here. So I stop and I'm going in now. Vibes Fam, look at flaky and nice. Look at flaky. Proper nice pink and flaky. To some people maybe it's overdone. For me it's perfect. So if you like yours a little bit more raw, you can just do it for 10 minutes, right? But yeah, thank you so much Vibes Fam for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Please come over Instagram and follow me. God bless you. Thank you.